Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix recycle bin get corrupted in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, we need to type for CMD to open for command prompt. Okay, so here we need to wait until the best match would appear, and once it's being shown here at our best match, then proceed to the run as administrator, which is next to open. Let's just wait until the options would appear. Okay. So once it's here, click on it to continue, and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes to open the command prompt window. Okay. So here at the blank window, you need to type sfc space forward slash scan now. Once done, click enter. So this will do system scan. It will take some time. Okay, just have to leave this command prompt window open and don't turn off your computer unless it is done. Okay, so let's say if you are done, then you need to restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, where here at the bottom search bar, we need to search for File Explorer. So once you've typed it, click on Open to continue. Okay. And here, you need to proceed directly to your local disk. Okay. So the moment you've click on it, okay, proceed directly to this three dots and then go with options. And here, you need to go with view and then make sure that this show hidden files is turned on and click this box to unhide this hide protected operating system. Click on apply and then OK, and there you would be able to see this recycle bin. Just double tap it, and here you need to copy this. Control C and then paste it first in the notepad, or you can simply paste it anywhere you'd like. Okay, so let me just minimize this. And our next step is we need to search for CMD again at the bottom search bar. Type CMD. The moment you've typed it, wait again for the best match to appear. So here, once it's there, click on Run as Administrator. So just wait until this option would appear and click on it. Okay, your user account control will ask you again to say yes, just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open such window. Here you need to paste this command, which is rd space forward slash s space forward slash q. Control V to paste, and then here we need to paste what we have just copied in our File Explorer. Click enter. So the moment you've clicked on it, okay, just have to close this window, and here you need to go back to your File Explorer. So go back to your local disk, okay, and here click this three dots, okay, and go with options, okay, and then go with view and try to change the hidden files and folders default into don't show hidden files. Click this box to check and then apply and then OK. Once done, go back here again to the three dots. Let's navigate the same process. Click on options, go with view, OK, and change this to show hidden files and check this launch folder windows. Sorry, check this hide protected operating system. Sorry for that, apply and then OK. And there you would be able to see recycle bin here. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Just try to delete that. Okay. Once done, close this window. And here, you need to open our settings. At the start icon, you need to do a right click and go with settings. Okay, so here at the settings, proceed directly to the personalization. Click on it and wait for the personalization tab to appear. So once it's here, scroll down and look for themes. So I can see here next to colors, click on it. And then here under the theme section, scroll down and aligning this desktop icon settings. You can see there an arrow icon, click on it and wait for a new window would appear. Okay, so once you have successfully opened the desktop icon settings, check this recycle bin and then click on apply and then okay. And then you need to close this window. Okay. And there you have that. Okay. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.